As a business owner in Austin, the appearance of your property plays a critical role in attracting customers, building a professional reputation, and maintaining a positive image in the community. Over time, the exterior of your building is exposed to dirt, grime, mold, mildew, and environmental pollutants that can make it look worn and uninviting. Regular cleaning is essential to preserving the aesthetics and functionality of your business property, and one of the most effective ways to keep it looking its best is through commercial pressure washing. In this article, we'll explore the unique benefits that commercial pressure washing offers Austin businesses and why investing in this service is essential for long-term success. From improving curb appeal to extending the life of your property, pressure washing is a smart investment that can make a big difference. Enhancing curb appeal and attracting customers. First impressions matter, and your building's exterior is the first thing customers will notice when they approach your business. A dirty or neglected exterior can create a negative impression, making potential clients hesitant to enter. On the other hand, a well-maintained, clean exterior signals professionalism, reliability, and attention to detail. Commercial pressure washing is a highly effective way to restore your building's exterior to its original condition. By removing dirt, stains, algae, and other contaminants, pressure washing enhances your building's curb appeal, making it more inviting to potential customers. Whether you run a restaurant, retail store, or office building, maintaining a clean exterior can significantly impact how your business is perceived in the local community. Improving safety and preventing damage. Over time, grime, algae, and mold can accumulate on the surfaces of your building, sidewalks, and parking areas, making them slippery and unsafe for employees and customers. Slips, falls, and accidents can lead to costly legal claims, liability issues, and a negative reputation. For businesses in Austin, where weather conditions can encourage mold growth and algae buildup, pressure washing is a proactive way to remove these hazards before they become a problem. By using commercial pressure washing, you can ensure that your walkways, entryways, and parking lots remain clean and safe. Regular pressure washing not only helps eliminate slippery surfaces but also prevents the buildup of corrosive materials that can cause damage to your building and surfaces. For example, mold and mildew can degrade building materials over time, leading to more expensive repairs if not addressed. Boosting the longevity of your building and surfaces. Regular cleaning and maintenance are essential for extending the lifespan of your building's exterior and surfaces. Exposure to the elements, such as sun, rain, wind, and pollution, can cause wear and tear, which over time may result in discoloration, stains, and deterioration. For businesses in Austin, where seasonal weather shifts can be extreme, pressure washing can help protect your property from the damaging effects of dirt, soot, and environmental pollutants. Pressure washing not only removes surface grime but also helps prevent corrosion, decay, and wear caused by accumulated dirt and contaminants. When you invest in commercial pressure washing, you are helping to preserve your investment, ensuring that your property stays in top condition for years to come, without the need for costly repairs or replacements. Enhancing energy efficiency. You may not realize it, but the buildup of dirt and grime on your windows, roof, and HVAC units can impact your business's energy efficiency. For instance, dirty windows can block sunlight from entering your building, leading to higher lighting costs during the day. In addition, clogged gutters and dirty roofing can prevent proper drainage, causing water damage and clogging HVAC units, which leads to higher energy bills as your systems have to work harder. By having your property professionally cleaned through commercial pressure washing, you ensure that all these areas remain clean and functioning optimally. Clean windows allow for more natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting, while clean gutters and roofs help maintain your building's energy efficiency. Compliance with health and safety standards. Certain industries, particularly those that deal with food, health, or hospitality, have strict cleanliness and sanitation standards that must be met to stay in compliance with local regulations. Mold and mildew buildup not only pose health risks but can also lead to fines or even temporary closures if left untreated. Regular commercial pressure washing helps ensure that your business complies with health and safety standards by keeping the exterior free from mold, mildew, and dirt. This is especially important for businesses such as restaurants, health clinics, and retail stores where maintaining a clean environment is essential for customer health and satisfaction. Cost-effective maintenance solution. While some business owners might think that pressure washing is an unnecessary expense, it is actually a cost-effective way to maintain the exterior of your property. Regular cleaning can help you avoid costly repairs and replacements caused by neglect. A small investment in pressure washing can extend the life of your building, prevent deterioration, and save you money in the long run. Moreover, regular pressure washing can also help increase property value, which can be crucial if you decide to sell your business or property in the future. A clean, well-maintained exterior increases your business's marketability, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Environmentally friendly cleaning. Many commercial pressure washing companies now use eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for both the environment and your property. By choosing a reputable service, you can be sure that harmful chemicals are not being used, and the pressure washing process won't damage your landscaping or surrounding areas. This environmentally responsible cleaning method ensures that you maintain a clean property while also protecting the natural surroundings of your Austin business. Conclusion. In a competitive market like Austin, keeping your business looking its best is essential for attracting customers and maintaining a positive reputation. Commercial pressure washing provides an affordable and efficient way to improve curb appeal, enhance safety, prolong the lifespan of your property, and boost energy efficiency. Whether you run a retail shop, restaurant, or office building, investing in pressure washing ensures that your business remains clean, inviting, and ready to succeed. If you're ready to improve your business's exterior and make a lasting first impression, consider working with a professional pressure washing company in Austin to get the job done efficiently and effectively.